Good morning, everyone. Did you feel it? This morning at about 3:43 a.m., there was a magnitude 2.4 earthquake there in Seattle, Washington. 8 people so far have reported feeling this earthquake. It was a crustal earthquake, a deep earthquake down within the crust along the Seattle fault zone. That fault zone is about 4 to 7 kilometers wide, extending from Bremerton across the Sound and all the way over past Seattle to Bellevue. Tension has grown going from north to south and east to west. The north to south tension that's built is because of the movement of the plate going north, and then going from west to east is because of the subduction of the Juan de Fuca plate sliding underneath the North American plate. In 1700, there was a 1,000-mile rupture of the Cascadia Fault Zone. Scientists and geologists say it was a magnitude 7 earthquake. I think it was much greater than that. That was what they called a megathrust earthquake. Back in 2001, there was a 6.8 earthquake. Now that earthquake occurred down in the mantle of the earth. That earthquake caused about $2 billion in damage and injured about 400 people. That was close to Tacoma, Washington. That was a very deep earthquake compared to the 1700 megathrust earthquake. The shallower the earthquake, the more damage you have. The deeper the earthquake, the less damage you have. That earthquake occurred on February 28th, 2001, and it had a depth of 51.8 kilometers. So that would be almost 33 miles deep. All the areas that have uplifted because of the stress that has been built for the coming mega earthquake will end up dropping once that stress is relieved. Along the section they call the Toe Jam Fault, there's an area right along here where they have a lot of uplift. That would be one area that would end up collapsing. This area in red that I've drawn out, Bainbridge Island, is at high risk of such a thing happening, high hazards from a mega earthquake. And there's other areas. But the question is, did you feel this earthquake? If so, please put your comments down below. How long did this earthquake last? I imagine you were sleeping, and it probably woke you up. Please put your comments down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If not, please subscribe down below. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.